LTX 0.96 is said to be fast and efficient. I have already installed version 0.95, so I had the chance to compare them using my old RTX 2070 8GB GPU. Let's get started. The process was the same. First, I ran a short test to load the motor, followed by generate 97-frame video. Version 0.96 took 344 seconds, which wasn't bad for my hardware setup. In contrast, version 0.95 took 327 seconds, and the output video was more dynamic. Let's compare them. By the way, I want to introduce a great tool I have been using. It's a free tool from Nvidia called ICat. It can compare many images or videos simultaneously. The link is in the description below. The split window feature makes it excellent for determining which image or video is better. The speed difference isn't significant, and the talking quality is similar. The 0.95 version is even more dynamic. I'd say they are on the same level. I then switched to a normal image of a beautiful girl and had her singing song. Using version 0.95, it took 342 seconds to complete. The output video was impressive, showing the same face singing. Switching to version 0.96, it took 335 seconds, slightly faster than 0.95, and the output video was also very good. Using ICat for comparison, we find both are excellent. The 0.95 video is more dynamic, while 0.96 is steadier. Let's try a more dynamic video. I used an image from the LTX asset, which a motorcycle running on the road. First, I tried 0.96. Some errors occurred, but the final output video was fine, showing a car crossing the motorcycle. Then with 0.95, everything went smoothly. It took 329 seconds to finish, a bit faster than 0.96, 347 seconds. Let's compare these videos. Apparently, the 0.95 video is much better than 0.96. The motorcycle moves very smoothly, and the surroundings are very nice. Now, switching to a text-to-video test. There is a small trick. Inputting long, detailed prompts can improve video quality. I prepared a 632 x 480 65-frame video using version 0.95, which took 216 seconds. The video appears as expected, except the girl's face was blurred due to the lower resolution. Switching to 0.96, it took 209 seconds, and the output video was much better, with the girl's face also improved. Another animation took 206 seconds for 0.95, and 204 seconds for 0.94. All the videos were blurred, but 0.95 showed much better conditions. In version 0.96, the superhero didn't even walk. Here, I want to say 0.95 is better. For image to video, I want to say 0.95 and 0.96 are in the same level. In the text to video, 0.96 is slightly better. Totally, 0.96 is not as I was expected. Here is the installation guide. After starting ComfyUI, go to the manager, search for LTXVideo, and install it. Navigate to ComfyUI's custom nodes directory. Then install the requirements in the LTXVideo folder. Type install -r requirements.txt. Now download the LTX model from the homepage in the description below. You can choose one or download several. Now both 0.95 and 0.96 are available. Place them in the folder ComfyUI Models Checkpoints. Then download the T5 encoder. You can download one and put it into ComfyUI Models text encoders. If you use image to video, you may need also download the clip I safe tensor and put it into Models clip folder. Here are some tips for this model system. Resolution must be a multiply of 32. Frame rate must be a multiply of 8 plus 1. But don't worry, when you input the number, the application will automatically adjust to the correct numbers. Recommended resolution should not exceed 720 x 1280. Recommended frame count should not exceed 297 frames. If you find my content helpful, please consider subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.